A tribunal court in Bangladesh has announced death penalty against former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on the grounds of crime against humanity. You may recall that in August last year, after a student-led revolution became out of control, Sheikh Hasina had to flee and has ever since been living in exile in India. Such visuals are a common sight in Dhaka today. Dhaka has been guarded by police and security men ever since this verdict. Has been rejected by the former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. She says it has been announced by an unelected government. She was the last elected leader of the government, and they are only trying to take away the existence of Awami League. Meanwhile, Bangladesh's Ministry of Foreign Affairs has said that Sheikh Hasina should be sent back to Bangladesh for trial, and their Ministry of Foreign Affairs has also said that it's a very unfriendly gesture on behalf of India to host Sheikh Hasina. Well, what do you think will happen? Sheikh Hasina has been living in exile in India and will be safe. She's unlikely to be sent back to Dhaka. She will be safe in India. The elections that have been announced for February. In the Indian government has always been maintaining that there should be free and fair elections, and also inclusive elections, which means inclusion of the Awami League Party. The interim government and its supporters have all along said that Awami League is unlikely to come back. Seems to be in a state of turmoil right now. Where this is headed, one will have to wait and watch. Meanwhile, the Indian government has said that they have noted the verdict that has been announced and that they want peace and democracy to prevail in Bangladesh. Meanwhile, former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has rejected the verdict and said that it has been announced by a rigged tribunal established and presided over by an unelected government with no democratic mandate. They are biased and politically motivated, she says. Their distasteful call for death penalty, they reveal the brazen and murderous intent of extremist figures within the interim government to ruin Bangladesh's last elected Prime Minister and to nullify the Awami League as a political force. Awami League supporters in Bangladesh have said that they are not going to stop their protests unless Awami League is allowed to contest elections, and they are hoping and waiting that someday, miraculously, Sheikh Hasina will come back and re-establish her government.